shares of Vodafone Idea crashed over 11% on Tuesday morning after the company announced that it will offer 35.8% to the government against spectrum and AGR dues. Vodafone Idea shares were trading at 13.15 Indian rupees apiece on BSE at 10 a.m. on Tuesday. Investors are unhappy because this indicates that the existing promoters of the company are diluting their skin in the game. It also indicates that the company's efforts to raise funds or bring strategic investor has been delayed. If this is accepted by the government, then Vodafone Idea will be controlled by the government. This is not a good result at a time when the government itself is divesting stake in PSUs, said an indsutry expert. Vodafone Idea's rivals Airtel and Reliance Jio have not exercised the option to convert interest dues into equity. While Airtel has opted to take the 4-year moratorium, the operator on Friday said it has confirmed to the Department of Telecommunications that it will not avail the option of conversion of the interest on deferred spectrum and adjusted gross revenue dues into equity. The company had AGR dues of 58,254 Indian rupees crore, of which it had already paid 18,004 Indian rupees crore. The 4-year moratorium should save it around 11,500 Indian rupees crore in annual cash flow. Vodafone Idea, on the other hand, was expected to fund the interest payments through the recent tariff hikes and fresh equity infusion. With the recent 20% tariff hikes and Virgin Islands having likely tied up the funding for repaying the non-convertible debentures maturing between December 2021 and February 2022, market was expecting Vi to continue its fundraising efforts from its promoters and other investors, rather than letting the government acquire a significant stake, said an analyst. The Department of Telecommunications, on October 142021, had announced a bailout package for the telecom sector under which it allowed operators todefer payment of spectrum auction installments and AGR dues byupto 4 years. It also allowed a one-time opportunity to exercise the option of paying interest for the 4 years of deferment on the deferred spectrum installments and AGR dues by way of conversion into equity of the NPV of such interest amount. On October 18, 2021 and 27 October 2021, Vodafone Idea had approved deferment of spectrum auction installments and AGR dues up to 4 years. On Monday, the company took the decision to avail the option to convert interest dues to equity. The government, at its sole discretion, may convert any part of such loan to preference shares instead of equity shares, and such preference shares may be optionally or compulsorily convertible and/or redeemable and/or participating in nature. The shares may be held through the statutory undertaking of the Unit Trust of India on behalf of the Government of India or by any trustee type or other suitable arrangement.